Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the Square application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Square application on your device if you have already installed it. Once you install the application and open it up, you will see the sign in button at the very front. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked to enter your email address. You can also use a device code by tapping on use a device code. Now just type in either your device code or your email address within the credential box. Then tap on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. Just type in your account password that you set up while creating your Square account and then click on the sign in button right away. As soon as you click on sign in, if your email address and password are correct, then you will be logged into your account. You may also be asked for two-step verification by entering the code that has been sent to your email. Once you complete the verification step, you will be logged in and you can use the Square services right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the Square app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.